Greetings of the day, dear children. Today we are starting with our exercise 1.4 of chapter integers. Now here in this exercise we need to divide the integers. Now let us move with question number 1. Evaluate each of the following. Let us do A part now. You need to divide minus 30 by 10. So what you are supposed to do, how you will do the division? First you will do the simple division, means you will divide 30 by 10. So when you will divide 30 by 10, you will get the answer as 3, as in the table of 10, 30 comes at third position. Now what about the sign? As we have already discussed in our previous video about the sign, now we will see the sign. It is minus and positive. When one integer is negative and the other is positive, the sign of negative will come. It is minus plus minus. So therefore the first answer is minus 30. Here I am taking C part now. I am doing the alternate parts. Again, we need to divide minus 36 by minus 9. Both are negative integers now. How to do? First, we'll see the numbers and we'll do the division only. Just forget about the sign. So, 36 divided by 9 is 4. In table of 9, 36 comes at fourth position. Now we'll look for the sign. When both integers are negative, it becomes positive. As our table says, minus minus is plus. So here your answer is plus 4. Let us move ahead with another example, another part, which is E part, and I am doing the alternate parts. How to do this sum now? First, we need to, as in your previous classes, you have studied about the BODMAS. So first you need to solve the brackets. We'll keep this 13 as it is, this division sign as it is. First we will solve this bracket. When we are solving this bracket, it is minus 2 plus 1. Again, one integer is negative, the other is positive. How we will do? 13 divide by, just solve it. Plus minus minus. 1 subtracted from 2 is, answer will come 1, and the sign of negative will come as the negative integer is bigger. Now you need to divide 13 by 1. When we divide the same number with 1, we get the number. Now you need to do these, look for the sign. Plus minus is minus. So minus 13 is our answer. Just remember this, students, whenever a bracket will be there, first you need to solve the bracket and then do the rest of the part. This is your E part. Let us move ahead with G part now. Again in G part, you can see minus 31 is also in bracket. So it is a single number. And there are two numbers in the square bracket. So again, first what we need to do is we need to solve the bracket. We will keep 31 as minus 31 as it is with division sign. Then we need to solve this bracket minus 30. Now here be careful, two signs are there. Plus minus, minus will come. Now you need to again first solve the bracket and then we will do the division. Minus minus is plus, 1 added to 30 is 31, and sign of negative will come. So now you need to divide this 31 divide by 31. So the answer will come 1, and rough you can see 31 divide by 31, and both are negative. The negative sign will get cut, and 31 divide by 31 is 1 only. So therefore our answer is plus 1. So this is your G part. Now let us move ahead with I part. Here both numbers are in bracket now. So first we will solve these two brackets and then we will do the division. So again, minus plus is minus. 6 minus 5 is 1, and sign of bigger number will come. So the bigger number is 6. So sign of minus will come. So it is minus 1, negative integer. We will put this division sign. Now we will solve this bracket. Minus plus minus. 2 minus 1 is 1, and the sign of bigger number will come. So 2 is bigger, the sign of negative will come. Now we need to divide them. Again same process, minus minus, it will become plus, and 1 divided by 1 is 1 only. So this was your question number 1 of exercise 1.4. The remaining parts you will do by yourself. Let us move ahead with question number 2. Verify that a divided by and in bracket b plus c should not be equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. As you can see, we just need to prove that this is a distributive property and it cannot be applied over division. We cannot apply this distributive property over division. So let us see. I am taking here the first part, a part. Value of a is given to us 12, value of b is given -4, value of c is given 2. So I have kept, again we need to solve, this side is known as LHS and this side is known as RHS, left hand side, right hand side. So first we will solve the left hand side here. A divided by in bracket b plus c. Now substitute the value in place of the alphabets. The value of a is 12. 12 divided by the value of b is -4 and the value of c is 2. Again, first you need to solve the bracket. 12 divided by minus plus minus. Now you got -2 as the answer and sign of bigger integer will come, which is minus. Now you need to divide 12 by 2. The answer will be 6. Now we'll see to the sign, plus minus is minus. So we are getting -6 in our left side. Let us solve now the right side. Alternatively, a divided by b plus a divided by c. Now the value of a is 12 and the value of b is -4. Just keep it in bracket because two signs cannot be kept together. Now the value of a is 12 and the value of c is 2. Now we need to solve these two brackets. 12 divided by 4 is 3 with negative sign, plus 12 divided by 2 is 6 and the sign of positive will come. We need to solve this, plus minus, minus 3 will come and sign of bigger integer will come, which is 3a plus. Now you can see in our left side we have got -6 and in our right side we have got +3. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence we have verified. So this was your question number 2, A part. B part you will do it by yourself and check your answer. Let us move to question number 3 now. Question number 3 is fill in the blanks and can be done in book only. There are 8 parts. Children, I am solving this first column. You will solve the other column by yourself. Now, what is it saying? Again, 369 divided by what number, so that we will get 369 as our answer. So, if we want to get the same answer, we'll divide the number with 1. So, this is the property we have already learned in our property video. Now again, -206 divided by what number, so that as to get one answer. Now you can see it is the reciprocal of this thing. So we will divide it with which number? We'll divide with the same number so as to get the answer as 1, but and with the same sign also, because we want positive 1 in our answer, so that minus and minus will get deducted from each other. Here again, which number should be divided by 1 so as to get answer as -87? So same number -87 will get divided by 1 so as to get -87. Now again the last part, here it is a twist. By which number we should divide 20 so as to get -2 as answer? Now we cannot divide with 20 because we need 2. We don't want 1. So what we will do, I'll divide 20 by -2. Whatsoever answer I'll get, I'll keep it here. 20 divided by 2 is 10 and minus sign is also there. So therefore, we'll divide 20 by -10 so as to get answer as -2. From this exercise, we are just doing these 3 questions. I hope the questions are clear to you.